Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice session. Today we will practice 100 useful English sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Daily use English sentences. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Take care. Thank you very much. Please sit down, stand up slowly, open the door, close the window, turn on the light, turn off the fan. Come here, go there, wait for me, listen carefully. I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am tired, I feel happy, I feel sad, I am busy right now. I need some rest. I am getting late. Let's go together. I will call you later. What are you doing? I am reading a book. She is cooking food. He is watching TV. They are playing outside. We are learning English. I like this song. This is very easy. That is difficult. Please help me. Can you hear me? Speak slowly, please. I don't understand. Please repeat again. That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. What do you mean? I am just joking. Don't worry about it. Where are you going? I am going to school. She went to the market. He came back home. We are waiting outside. The bus is coming. Let's take a taxi. Drive carefully. The road is crowded. We reach safely. What do you want? I want some water. Please give me tea. The food is delicious. I love homemade food. This coffee is hot. I need a spoon. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. I am full now. What time is it? It is 9 o'clock. I woke up early. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is a holiday. I have a lot of work. Finish your homework. Don't waste time. Be ready on time. Practice every day. I like learning English. English is important. Keep practicing daily. Never lose confidence. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Success takes time. Stay positive always. Work hard every day. Dreams come true. I am proud of you. Keep smiling always. Everything will be fine. Never give up. Stay strong. Life is beautiful. Enjoy every moment. Be kind to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Great job, everyone. Practice these sentences every day for better English speaking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel YouTube. See you in the next practice session.